is going on, guys? Today we are going to be installing the new roll bar into the Miata. Last video you guys saw that we did the cage in the Mustang. We actually did that last night, so we figured why not go ahead and knock out the roll bar in the Miata as well. After we get this thing installed, we're actually going to take the car over to Shreveport, Louisiana, which is about an hour from us, and we are going to get this awesome hood dump coming straight out of the turbo, straight up into the stock hood, or actually out of the stock hood, which is going to be sick. What? Does it not fit? Please don't say that.
No, we didn't say anything. Oh,
no, it goes up. Yep, right there. Oh, you got to take the seatbelts out. The little back piece got to slide in where the seatbelts are.
Oh, then what the hell? Maybe we can't have seatbelts.
That's what I'm saying. We got to take them out to be able to put the bar in.
I was messing around earlier, seatbelt delete, but
no, we
down for some harnesses.
Yeah, we actually do dead serious have to take them out. But we have a harness bar going across right there, so that's good. We're just not gonna have seatbelts for a while. Hope y'all are okay with that.
Don't crash.
Don't crash. Thanks, Poe. This is weird. There's a lot of interesting stuff back here.
Hey, if you watched last video and you saw plasma cutting with glasses, don't do that.
Poe got
sunburn everywhere. That's not where my fingers are like making holes. Like sunburn everywhere.
We're probably gonna have to put the stock hood back on the car and take it with us, because he's probably gonna want to cut out a hole in the hood once we figure out where it's gonna line up with our hood exit. I don't know why I'm so excited for the little hood exit. That's like honestly my most exciting part of the entire car so far, is just to have the hood exit.
Drive down the road and see a little flame.
Yeah, it's gonna be dope. Do a pull, or actually two-step, just straight out the hood. Okay, now. Damn. All right, now that the seatbelts are out, let's try and fit this thing.
Are you sure this is for the right Miata?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know either.
Look
how high that bar
just
is.
like that.
No, dude, this thing look like a monster truck.
This thing does. Hold it up.
It's gotta be like for an MB or an NC or.
Damn, they definitely sent us the wrong roll bar.
This shit look like a fucking trophy truck about to go in.
Look at that. Watch out. Look how high. Okay, I guess give me just a moment. We're gonna make some phone calls. We just got half of the parachute mount for the Mustang, so we can't run the parachute. Anyways, yeah, let me make a phone call real quick. We're gonna get this sorted out. I guess we'll just set the coils down here for now. We're about to go take the car to get the hood exit put on. I don't know if we need to take the stock hood. You said you wanted to set the stock hood on it. That way he can mark it and possibly cut it if he has time to. If not, we'll just take it home and we'll cut it on the plasma cutter that we have here. But I would much rather let him cut it if he wants to. Yeah, you can just hold the whole thing.
Weird with the hood on now.
Yeah, it does look weird. I don't like it. I don't like it with the hood on there either.
I don't like it either.
All right, let's just open this thing up and load it on the trailer and get going. What is it hitting?
Everything.
I told you these tires are gonna be fat as hell.
All right, now up in there. Dang, son, look, I can just step out now. We need to take the doors off the Mustang. This right here is handy. Oh, and we got the tow straps already in the front. This is a dedicated race car right here. We did just get a call back, by the way, from Track Dog. We have to take off these plates, and the bar actually slips down below those and attaches to the frame. That's why it was sitting so high. So once we take that off, it'll actually sit in place. So we'll do that once we get back. All right, well, let's go. Let's shut the trailer and everything. I think we got it strapped down plenty good enough. Okay, so we just arrived to old dude's house. We about to go in there and get this hood stack done. Can you call it a hood stack? Is that appropriate? Apparently this dude builds turbo kits for like everything. Turbo truck, turbo Mustang, turbo Trans Am. Ugh, it's tire from the Mustang from the burnout of a gas monkey. Yeet.
Oh, that. You too?
I don't know what is going on with this thing, but it looks really nice. Oh, it's an auto. Damn. What is this?
Mustang.
Holy shit. Is it a Mustang? Oh my god, bro. Holy shit. Jesus Christ. What is that? What intake? What manifold is that? I've never seen that on a Mustang.
And you won't.
I like how there's a just... Holy shit.
It's a Holly Sniper race version. The top has been cut off and a Holly high rim top welded on. The throttle body normally bolts right here. And that was plated back on. So like a Holly top like this can be put on.
Yeah, the normal Holly tops.
Yeah, and you've seen the 417 sandwich intercoolers.
Yeah, yeah.
There's another company called Schroer Fabrications.
Mm-hmm.
They make one.
What size turbo is this?
It's a 7685.
So they're doing a hood exit like this, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my lord. Yeah, I don't have anything nearly as cool. We just got a little turbo on a little 4-cylinder. Little yin yang spinny thing.
It'll make 1,050.
1,050.
1,050.
I'm gonna gap that car. I don't even know what's done to it. We're gonna gap it. We're gonna gap this car too.
45 it up and turn this one this way, kind of 40. So
they'll be side by side.
Yeah, so they'll like do like this.
Okay. Yeah. Sound good. Harry. What indeed? See, Cletus thought he had big turbos, bro.
That's how big the turbo is that Cletus just got.
Run them together at an angle like that to the side. That way it stays clear of that little brake lines and everything. Yeah. Are we gonna be forced to try to cut out our own hole in the hood, or are you professional at that?
Well, it depends who you ask.
Yeah, this car is far from professional, so I'm sure it'll be great. I don't even want to show you what our hole would look like if we try to drill a circle through it. All right, he's in there cutting the wastegate piping right now. Check this out. We got the exhaust pipe put on the flange right here. He has not welded it yet, but you can kind of get the general idea of the area that it's going to be coming out of. We got to put the wastegate pipe right here on the top of the flange, and then it's going to come out right in front of it. Both pipes are going to be sitting right here, and they're going to be exiting the hood right there, and he's offered to cut the hole too, which is great. I'm not really too good at cutting circles, in case you guys didn't see the Grom video where we tried cutting the circles out of the fairing.
Watch, whenever I push it down, I'm going to tap it.
This thing gonna look like a whole race car, dude. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look pretty damn ratchet, I'm not gonna lie, but it's gonna look great. Oh my God.
He's so hyper.
Damn. The dog said, yo, what's up? I want to build a turbo car. He's in there welding the pipes to the flange. I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm so excited. I've never had anything this ratchet before.
Like, shoot
it's gonna be
right
great.
now. That'd be
I know, that's what I'm saying. I wish it was tuned so we could just crank it up to 2-step it, just shoot flames in the air.
Yeah,
Oh,
everybody in this neighborhood.
my heart would be so warm. What? Dusty looking at.
You're mean. Stop.
Dude, I'm so hungry. I want to go eat. You look hungry. Ooh, the O2 bung. Look at those welds. That right there. That is beautiful. That hood is like, no, it's like a pound. It's ridiculously light. Now we're gonna eyeball where to make some cuts at. I like it. Hey, you can use a marker on it. You can use a permanent marker, that's fine. You see what's all over this? That's gonna be all over the hood stuff anyways, so.
Will this still kind of come up a little bit?
Yeah. So we're gonna line up these 2 marks right here, and then we're gonna cut a hole.
That's what we ain't doing.
That's what he's doing. Yeah, we ain't doing nothing. You're right.
You've really thought this through, haven't you?
For me?
Yeah.
I fucked up a lot of hoods.
Yeah.
There are a lot of holes in places I shouldn't have, in cars I shouldn't have.
I like that. So you drill 1 hole just so you can see through it?
Yeah, see on Curtis's car, I just got my 4-inch hole saw. It was like, I looked down there, I was like, that was wrong.
Yeah, I ain't even gonna lie. Yeah, that is exactly what I would have done. I'm definitely glad that you're doing this, and I'm gonna keep saying that.
Kevin would have just like
That's not too bad. Not too shabby at all, especially for just eyeballing it. Okay guys, unfortunately I'm not going to be able to show too much of the progress anymore because it got really dark. You can't see anything on the camera. So I'll give you guys an update here in just a second.
My whole life I've been curled up, worried about fitting in. Don't know what I am, I just know that I'm different. Spazzed out fidgeting, playing with the monsters. Only open up around the creatures that I conjure. Flashlights dangling underneath.
It actually turned out pretty good. Yeah, we don't have one yet, but we'll just stick the hood on there just to test fit it. We'll get our O2 sensor in there later once it comes in. Sweet. You want to start it up? Don't rev it or anything. It's in the neighborhood. I just want to hear what it'll sound like. Dang. It actually is quieter. Oh my God, it sounds so freaking sick. Oh my God. That thing sounds sick. You hear the little turbo spool? Dude, that is a perfect fit. Thank you so much. That is, yeah, it sounds really cool. That is cool.
I like how idle's not loud, but once you get on it.
Yeah, it's loud whenever you get on it. Holy crap, son. This poor thing is the most ratchet little car ever. It's just getting worse and worse. Oh, come on, baby. Elpo, the Miata sounds nut.
Oh, they stack. Oh,
Isn't it cool?
I like that. I like that a
Oh,
lot.
yeah. Hang on, let me back this thing out. I hadn't even got to drive it yet.
Oh, you didn't get to see it? Not after it, like, dude.
What?
Not after it got heated up a little bit.
Look at the welds and everything.
Boy, is it hot?
Back here on the like.
Look at all that. Look at the O2 bung. Look on the other side of the O2 bung.
Yeah, that dude most definitely TIG welded this thing.
Oh yeah, he did. It was so cool watching him do it too, because he had like a long ass TIG rod just sitting here doing like that. I was like,
Called TIG, son.
I know, it's just cool. Yeah, Harry said that you could weld like that.
Boy, TIG welding?
Yeah,
If it's TIG, boy, I got you.
I want to see. That is like.
Meep has a nostril.
Oh, this is my first time driving.
It's not tuned right, but it's driving. This is lit! This is awesome! We're in Meep! We're in Meep! For the first ever time! Oh my god! Big boys right now. Holy crap! There we have it. Who's honking? Somebody's honking. We got Meep finally on the road for the first drive. We haven't been able to actually go anywhere because we didn't have like an exhaust going out of the back. Finally we do. Hey, kill it real quick. Pop the hood. That car right there just was honking and they're turning around now. I don't know why, but we can't really run in Meep. Meep's not tuned yet, so. This thing looks good. I cannot wait to see the pipe get actually heat cycled and stuff. Oh, there's a cop. Meep is not necessarily the best. No, DOT wouldn't be very happy. We have no seatbelts, no nothing. No doors even. Look at that, son. That is dope. Okay, guys, I guess we're gonna head back up to the shop. We literally just took it like less than probably a 1/10 of a mile up the road. We just drove straight up the road a little bit and wanted to just have the first test drive in the car now that we got an exhaust on it, finally. So we've got a few more things to do. We're gonna head back to the shop first. Here's the real question. Is Meep gonna start again? Your tag doesn't work.
I had a really bad feeling for some reason. I really did. I really had a bad feeling. Come on, Meep.
Oh, slap her in reverse.
All right, we're gonna try to get this thing started the ghetto way.
You sure you're in reverse?
I'm in reverse.
Go ahead.
No, it almost was running. Why did this happen? Meep was doing so good.
You turned it off.
You think that's faster?
Do it!
Come on, Meep. Don't be like this. Man, we took it for a test drive and now we're stuck. Man, my phone's dead. Are you kidding me?
My phone's dead.
My phone literally just died.
I don't even have my phone.
Damn it! Oh my god! Help! I don't even have a flashlight. Why is Meep not starting? Come on, Meep! Hey, hang on, let's go up to the next turnaround.
Why does this happen?
I don't know. This really was not supposed to be like this. Of course, my phone would die.
We're gonna have a search party out for us. No one's gonna expect to check here.
No one's gonna expect to check the Portico parking lot. They're probably all calling us like they have not gotten back yet. What's going on?
They hear my phone ringing in my car.
We're getting it started this time, boys. Let me know when.
All right, go.
Come on, Bo! I'm in! Yes! Woo! We got it! Yeah! We got it! Yes! Let's go, Meep! careful to keep it out of boost. The car is not tuned by any means. Oh, it almost died.
No, just go. It's off. There's Harry. There's Harry right there.
Look at Harry.
It died right in front of me.
Hey, we got this.
This is my 3rd time doing this. Caleb, I got it. Teamwork.
Makes the dream work.
All right, straighten her up.
All right, I'm straight. Oh, we're going now. We're going hard in paint now.
All right, let me know when you dump it.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
All right, wait.
Come on, Bo! Come on, Bo!
Go ahead.
No! All right, we're coasting.
Dump it.
We're hitting it hard.
Oh boy.
Hey!
I'm tired.
All right, yep, that's it.
Meep is still not happy. Its tune is so screwed up. Holy crap, that was pretty rough. Oh my gosh.
I just pushed Meep. Solid football field.
Bo just pushed Meep a football field.
About uphill.
Uphill.
Both ways.
We did make it home. We got the hood exit put on Meep. We got to go on the first test drive. We thought that we had the wrong roll bar, but we found out that we need to take out the metal plating behind the seat so that way we can get the roll bar mounted. So that's what we're going to be doing hopefully tomorrow. As for today though, that is probably going to be all for today's video. It is almost midnight. We're still up here at the shop, so we have to go home, being that we have to go prepare to load up tomorrow for Cletus and Cars. So we've got a lot of stuff on our agenda. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. It's going to be a crazy next few days once we get in Florida, but I hope you guys are ready. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video.